Hello guys, what's up? I'm gonna play NBA 2K24. This is my player. By the way, I'm not new. Let's check our player. Look guys, oh. Look, the design is cool. I installed NBA 2K24 in Play Store. So let's wait. Oh, here. So guys, sorry cause it's rainy today. So I'm sorry if you rinig the sound. So guys, Tagalog po pala ako, di po nag-English, konti lang po English ko. Sorry po. Ito na po. Ito po, may bagong labas. Ignite. Nakakuha po ako ng $750. Ito po yung mga player ko po. Mahina lang naman po ako kasi kakastart ko lang po ng linggo. Nung linggo po. So don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye bye. See you.